Hi, I'm Vasco Ispirian from Garnish Music Production School. Today we are going to create a dry-wet knob for those effects that don't have one. Let's say I'm working on this loop and I want to add a little distortion with erosion that doesn't have a dry-wet knob. First, we add an empty audio effect rack. We open the chain view and create two chains. We are gonna rename them as dry and wet. We leave empty the dry one, and in the wet one is where we are gonna drag or effect, in this case erosion. Next, we click in the Chain tab and we expand the regions. Following up, we readjust the fades of each region. In this way, we are increasing the wet chain and decreasing the dry one progressively. Finally, we have to create the dry-wet knob. We open the macro controller view, click Map, and then click in the chain selector. Last step, click in one of the macro controllers. Let's rename the knob as dry and wet. We can save the audio effect rack to use it in further projects. I hope you like it, and see you in the next one.